What happens when you assemble the Avengers? But for basketball, you get something legendary, something dreamlike. In 1992, the world witnessed the arrival of a team so dominant, so star-studded, it redefined the very meaning of sports supremacy. Get ready to relive the story of the 1992 US Olympic Dream Team, arguably the greatest sports team ever assembled. Barcelona, 1992. The world was changing, and so was basketball. For the first time ever, the Olympic stage welcomed NBA players, and America answered the call with a roster so packed with talent, it seemed almost unfair. Michael Jordan, Magic Johnson, Larry Bird, Charles Barkley, Scottie Pippen, Karl Malone, John Stockton, Patrick Ewing, David Robinson, Chris Mullin, Clyde Drexler, and the lone college standout, Christian Laettner. 11 future Hall of Famers, all on one team. It was a basketball supernova. Guiding this constellation of superstars was the legendary coach Chuck Daly. His philosophy? Let the players play, trust their instincts, and above all, dominate. Daly famously never called a timeout during any game of the Olympics. Why? Because this team didn't need one, and dominate they did. The Dream Team didn't just win, they obliterated the competition. From their opening game to the gold medal match, they went undefeated, leaving a trail of awe and disbelief in their wake. Their average margin of victory? A staggering 44 points. Opponents were reduced to spectators, witnessing a masterclass in basketball excellence. They were often left starstruck, asking for autographs during the games. Charles Barkley led the charge with 18 points per game, followed closely by Michael Jordan and Karl Malone. But it wasn't just about the scoring, it was the relentless defense, the selfless passing, and the sheer joy they brought to the game. But the Dream Team's impact extended far beyond the scoreboard. They ignited a global passion for basketball, inspiring a new generation of players and fans around the world. The NBA exploded in popularity internationally, fueled by the Dream Team's electrifying performances. The gold medal was the culmination of their dominance, but the legacy of the Dream Team lives on today. In 2009, the Dream Team was rightfully inducted into the Naismith Memorial Basketball Hall of Fame, cementing their place in sports history. They weren't just a team, they were a phenomenon. So, was the 1992 Dream Team the greatest sports team ever assembled? The numbers speak for themselves. The dominance was undeniable. The impact was immeasurable. They changed the game forever.